Zazzle is one of the websites that is hard to use automation with. They have a bot testing and the uploading process is complex. They have a very detailed design editor and a lot of information to add to the product you upload. While this is complex, for me, Zazzle is the most profitable website of all of the print-on-demand marketplaces. This is why I always try to find new ways to upload products. In this video, I will show you how to upload products to Zazzle automatically so you can save some time. Unlike other automation that you can start and forget, with Zazzle, you can't just let it work because of the bot tests you need to solve. And while the automation can upload it for you, you still need to pass the first bot tests. Another thing about Zazzle is that you can only upload one product at a time. And if you want more products, you need to customize them one by one. In this example, I am uploading a few designs on one product. But if you want to upload more products, you need to create an automation for each product you want to upload. Keep in mind that this automation works only for designs that have some similarities, because you need to customize the design in the editor to fit the product printing areas. I use TaskMagic to upload. Although some other automation tools say they can upload for you, you can't upload to any product you like from the huge catalog Zazzle has. This solution is good for products that are not among the options of other automation software. The automation is based on Google Sheets. In the Google Sheets, you have all the variable information like tags, titles, and descriptions, and the design you need to upload. Open a new Google Sheets and fill the first row. Here you need to add columns. One for the path of the design from your computer, one for the title, one for the description, and one for the tags. The other categories you will select when you create the automation, and the categories are supposed to be the same for all the products you are going to upload in the same Google Sheets. To get the path, go to the folder where you store the designs on your computer, and then click on Ctrl-A to select all of the designs. You should have them all in one folder. Then click on Ctrl-Shift and C to copy the path of the designs. Now go to Google Sheets and paste the path in the first column. The next step is to add all of the information about the product, like the title, description, and tags. If you have similarity with the product and you have the variable in the file name, then you can create a format that can save you time and generate all of the information in one go. I have the formula in another video, and I will leave it in the description. After you have all the information, it's time to create the automation. TaskMagic works in two ways. One is like other automation, which is a set of tasks you can't customize, and you need to use what the automation created for you. But in TaskMagic, you also have the option to record your steps as you do them manually, and then it will repeat the same tasks in the automation. When you go to their website, the link is in the description of this video, you'll see they have three plans. You need the $49 one that gives you the option to record your steps and let the automation learn how to do the tasks. After you get TaskMagic and install it on your computer, you need to create a new automation to make this upload. You can create a separate workspace only for Zazzle. The workspace is like a folder for all of your automations that have some similarities. If you're going to upload different products, then you can organize all of the automation in the same workspace for Zazzle. After you have your workspace, click on New Automation and then choose Web. Give the automation a name. Now you have the automation to start working on. First, you need to let the automation remember your login details. For this, go to the normal Chrome browser and add the Edit This Cookie Chrome extension. The link is in the description. Then log into Zazzle. Click on the top cookie icon and then click on the arrow to copy the cookie. Now go back to TaskMagic. Click on the automation and in Advanced Setting, find Manage Cookies and click to add the cookie. You will see the domain name of Zazzle, and that's okay. Now, when you get to Zazzle, you will be logged in. Close this and click on the trigger. This is where you set the Google Sheets. Then click on List, and now click on Use List from Google Sheets. Click on Set the Google Sheets, and you will see an email. Copy this and go to the Google Sheets that you created earlier. Click on Share and share the Google Sheets with this email address. Now it can get the information from your Google Sheets. Copy the Google Sheets URL, go back to TaskMagic and add the URL to the box. Choose a sheet where you have the information for the upload. Click on Looks Good and then close the trigger. Click on Add Step, and now you will start to record the automation step. you will get two windows. One is the record panel, where you choose the steps, and the other is Chromium, where you click on things to record the steps. Add a product page URL for your store from Zazzle. You will probably get the bot test in front of you. This is a bit frustrating part of the automation. Click and hold the button until you get to the Zazzle website. If you don't see it, you will see it sometime after, because you have the bot testing thing that you will need to solve each time you play the automation in Chromium browser. You need to add a delay from the step list of 3 minutes, so you have time in the future to solve the bot test before the automation starts. Now record the click. Choose from the steps list the click step, and then click on add new product. Now click on confirm and you record your steps. Every time I say record the click step, this is exactly what you should do. Sometimes TaskMagic recognize your click, and then you just need to confirm that this is a click you like to use in the future. Now you had a list of products. Alternatively, you can get here in the first step 2 of the URL, but I found it's better to start from the store product page. Then find the product you'd like to use. If you are going to use something that can find in the list on this page, just record a click on it. But if you need to search a bit, then click on the categories and record each click until you find the right product. Then click on the product. Now you are on the product page where you need to edit it. Record a click on customize this design and you will get to the editor. First, upload the product design. Click on the side to get to the upload and upload the design. If you have more than one side design for the product, then repeat this step after you finish designing the first design. It depends on the product. Click on upload design. When you click on upload design, you record the step of click, but you will need to change it afterward to upload step. For now, upload one of the designs from the designs you are going to use on this product, so you can continue record the other steps, and we will change it later. Because the upload takes time, it's a good idea to add a short delay to let the upload process finish. If you need to change the design so it will fit the product, you can record clicks on anything that is clickable on this page. If you need to increase the design, for example, then record clicks on the plus sign for resizing the design. Record as many clicks as you need to make this design fit. You can record any other clicks here and customize the design even further. Let's say you want to change the background. You can click on the background and change the color to whatever you like. Just remember that each step should have a click that you record. After you finish recording any of the steps here, record a click on done, and you will be back to the product page. Now click on sell this design, and you will get to where you need to add all of the other information you created in Google Sheets. Every time you need to go from one page to another, you need to add a small delay. It is important, otherwise the automation will continue to run, but it won't be on the right page, and then it will skip steps. Now you have a new step type. This is a type step, where you add text to the automation. Click on the type step and then click on the box for the title. Now write title. Afterwards, you will change it to the variable from Google Sheets. Then click on confirm and click on yes, because it is variable. After each task you record, add a delay to give Zazzle time to finish processing the task you gave it. Click on the department you want this product to be under. Then click again. Sometimes it doesn't get it the first time. Then record a type step for this description. Write description and confirm. Later you will change it too. Next, click on the category that Zazzle has for who is it for and what occasion. You can record clicks to find the right categories for this product, or you can choose from the first page options. Then record a click on OK button. One thing I couldn't do was click on the OK button. For some reason it didn't work. So after I record the click step, I clicked on the 3 dots of the step and found update selectors. I deleted the top selector and then it worked fine. So if you can't record a click step, you should try this. And it will remember your chosen categories. You can choose different categories for each design. So when you upload the designs, you should have the same recipients and occasions for all of them. If you have different categories, you can upload a bunch of products that have the same categories and then change the automation to the new categories you need to add for the next batch of products. Next, choose a store if you have more than one store. To do that, record 2 clicks. One on the store name, and then from the drop-down, record another click for the store you want to update this product to. If you only have one store, you don't need to choose anything. Next, you have your store categories. Again, record 2 clicks. one to open the dropdown, and one to choose the categories. Again, you need to choose the same category for all of the products. Next, you need to select a collection. You should have the collection in place, although it can publish the product without a collection, unlike the store category that you have to choose. Then click on the tags box with the type step and write one tag. This is also a variable that you will change later. Click on the right option for this design. If this is a design for everyone, choose the first option. You can also change the percentage of the product if you like it to be different from your normal store percentage. Record a click on the checkbox for agreeing to the terms and then click on post it. Now click on see my product and add a delay. When you finish the automation, add a go to page step and enter the product page URL from your store again. This is for the first step, so it will start the loop again but won't have the delay you set for the bot test. And now click on I'm done. This is the automation. Next, you need to change the variable. You can also go to your store and delete a product you just uploaded because it didn't have the right title and description. If you haven't added a delay between tasks, do it now. If it's a short task like typing, you can use a short delay. For uploading, the delay should be longer, and for moving between pages or opening windows, it should be 0.2 or 0.3 seconds. To change the upload, go to the click you did on the upload. Click on the three dots, and here you have the option to change the step type. Find the upload option in the list and confirm. Next, click again on the content box. Click on the strudel symbol. Find the right column from Google Sheet, and this will be ready for uploading your product designs. Next, go over all of the type steps for title, description, and tags. Click on the content of the step and choose the right column where you have the text variable. At the top of the page, you have a line that represents the steps that should loop if you want the automation to upload more than one product at a time. Set the loop so it will start after the long delay you have in the beginning, because after you solve the bot test, you shouldn't have more tests for a while. If you do get another bot test, it will be a surprise, so you can't predict when it will happen. At the end of the automation, you added the URL of the first step with shorter delay, which should be enough to start the automation again. Then click on Play Steps to check that it's working as expected. If you get the bot test, you should solve it manually. Watch the whole process and see if some steps didn't work well, like if they skipped clicks and didn't work, or if something didn't open fast enough and the automation continued to run. Most of the problems are solved with more delays. If something isn't working, even though you have a delay, go back to the automation and click on all of the play buttons next to each step until you get to the step that didn't work. Then delete the step and record it again. Or maybe you need to add another click step that you missed the first time. Most of the time, these two things solve everything. After everything works as you wish, go to the trigger, and now you can change it to how many times you want this loop to work. I found that it worked well only 2 times in a row, and afterward I got the bot test again. So I set it 2 times and let it run while I'm working. I keep an eye on it to see if it didn't publish the product. Although it involves some manual work with the bot test, this is the most efficient way to upload product automatically to Zazzle these days because of the bot situation. It is hard to find automations that can run on Zazzle and all of the products. If for some reason, and most of the time it's bot test, the loop has errors, you should go to the trigger and change the row number to the previous one because it didn't perform it. The automation skips the rows. If you want all of the products to be uploaded, you need to rewrite the row number so the automation knows what is the next product to upload. I also going to test an automation that can help me change the title and description on my Zazzle products. So I will update the old product and give them another chance to get sales on Zazzle. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.